Welcome back to another episode of Herman Werther's Nature Planet. On this episode, we will be upon this frozen lake, but it will not be me sharing you with this and things. It will be one of my greatest friends and colleagues, Dr. John Tchaikovsky. Hey,
Hello
John
there.
Tchaikovsky, ladies and gentlemen, my
Hi,
greatest
y'all.
friend and colleague.
I'll be your host, John Tchaikovsky,
I'll
on
be-
this giant slab of ice here.
I'll be leaving it to you, John. See
Thank
you,
you
sir.
very much.
I'm out.
Hey y'all, this is John Tchaikovsky. I will be your host for this evening here. We're on a giant slab of ice on the North Atlantic Lake here, and our show today will cover the aquatic land squatters. Now, the interesting thing about these land squatters, aquatic squatters, is that they are stuck to the ice. They're not like any other duck. It doesn't hurt them, they're fine, but they are stuck to the ice. Now, how do they move, you might be asking? Well, they don't need to move, you see. They got everything they need right in this one spot. Now, these fowl are very seasonal. As you can see, we got our classic October ducking. We got your tomato ducking. We got strawberry ducking. Good old lime green ducking. And last but not least, classic rubber ducking. Now, listen here. As any good northern boy knows, ice eventually melts. Now, you may be wondering, what happens to these little duckins when the ice thaws? Don't be alarmed now, they can float. To give a good representation of what I'm talking about here, we'll employ the services of a dear friend of mine who's also my assistant, Mr. Jish the Fish Williams. Alright now, so my assistant is gonna go check out the waters over there, make sure they're all set and ready here. And we're gonna stay right here with me, and we're gonna be checking this ice for thickness to make sure it's ready for these guys to get going here. Jish will not be joining us for the rest of this episode. Can we just skip forward a little bit? Them duckins are fascinating creatures, ain't they? Well, thank you. I'm gonna sign off for now. This has been John Tchaikovsky's Nature Planet.
Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize. I have officially regained control. Oh my gosh. Regained control of my own TV show. Thank you very much. Dr. Tchaikovsky will no longer be doing any more stunts, any more like that. I apologize. And now he has been officially deemed a quack. Good night. This has been Herman Werther's Nature Planet.